Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a group chat on Snapchat. So what you need to do is basically first of all get into your Play Store and make sure that your Snapchat is updated. And if it's not, just do it. Afterwards, get to Snapchat and open it up. After opening it up, get into your chat section. That would be a tapping at the left side alongside the camera at the bottom of the screen. There is an option of blue icon of a chat or a notification. Just tap on it. So this is kind of a page that would appear up that is known as the chat bar, in which you have all the conversations with your friends and the people you have been added on Snapchat with. Now what you need to do is basically tap at the blue button, or that kind of a stuff where this written or a notification plus pen icon is there in the blue. So once you tap on it, you see there's two, and now you can eventually select the person you want, or what you can do is simply select the persons with which you want to create a group. Or you need to do is, or you can simply write the group name. Once you have created it, now what you can do is chat with group, and once you do that, the group would automatically be created. So this is how you create a group on Snapchat. And if you guys still have any query or question to ask, just comment down in the section below. Seriously reply to you guys. And secondly, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. Meet you next time. Till then, peace.